Hi guys, it's Matthew again. This is our fifth strategy for today and the first one on this channel. So for those who haven't subscribed to this channel right here, this one, make sure you go and subscribe to this channel. Right now we dropped 4 strategies on this channel just now, so just go and subscribe to this channel. This is the channel you are currently watching this on. So this is the one we drop more strategies on. So I'm going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube for you to be able to see the link. So make sure you subscribe to that channel. And briefly before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, the boat is still much active and effective. So you know what to do. Just visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. The boat works on binary.com and deriv interface. And here are some of the results of the boat. You can see it as November results on binary.com, and this is deriv interface. You can see the boat is still very effective, and the version 4.1 is out, and we've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat at no extra cost. So when you purchase the boat, once there is a new version, we're going to send it to you freely at no extra cost. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card, and all that. Also make your payment, just complete the order form at the down page of the order page. Just enter your Gmail address. Once you confirm your payment, the order will be processed within maximum of 48 hours. So let's get back to the trading. I've logged in and I'm using the deriv interface. So just change this to dTrader at the top left corner. Once you change to dTrader, just choose the volatility 25 index. Volatility 25 index. I'm using one indicator right here. You can see it's the trended indicator. It's under the momentum, so just click on the 10 red indicator for you to be able to see this. So you set the barrier to +27, then the trade type is touch. You set the minutes to 3 minutes. So when this overlap, when this is closed, you can see this is closed and it's moving up. This red something, you click on touch right there. You click on touch. So once we see plus here, we're going to click on sell. Once this thing is green and it's plus, we're going to click on sell before the sell disappears. With the time count, okay, the resell is not offered, so we have to wait for the time count to lapse before the trade is closed. So we have to wait for like 2 minutes 40 seconds with the time count right there. We have 24 seconds left. you can see we won that trade there, though it was 9 minutes, but we won that trade. So you can see the outcome there. So the next trade we have to wait for this thing to push up a bit before we go for the next trade, so that